A father's fight for his child. In a small town lived a man named Crispin, a devoted father and the pillar of his family. Early in his life, Crispin faced heavy losses. His parents passed away when he was young, and now he carried the full responsibility of raising his two sons, Emery and Blaise. Despite the hardships, Crispin never wavered. He understood that his greatest mission was to provide his sons with a better future. Every day he searched tirelessly for work, often doing odd jobs, helping in local stores, assisting on construction sites, or selling goods at the market. Every penny earned was dedicated to his sons' education and well-being. Crispin's love was unwavering. He encouraged Emery and Blaise to pursue their dreams with all their hearts. When money was scarce, he would take them to free libraries or community centers, ensuring they had access to knowledge and opportunities. He taught them patience, resilience, and the value of hard work. At times, Crispin's health suffered from the strain of work and stress. Yet he never let his son see his pain or doubts. He carried his burdens silently so that Emery and Blaise would always feel safe and supported. Emery was a bright and studious boy, excelling in his classes and dreaming of university. Blaise, meanwhile, found joy and purpose in sports, aiming to become a champion. Crispin nurtured both passions, knowing that supporting their dreams was the best legacy he could leave. The neighborhood noticed Crispin's dedication and began to offer support, not just financially, but through kindness and encouragement. This network of care gave Crispin renewed strength and hope. Eventually, Crispin started a small business. Though the beginnings were humble and challenging, it allowed the family financial stability. Emery was accepted into a prestigious university, and Blaise began winning local sports competitions. Through every struggle and triumph, Crispin and his sons remained united. Their love and mutual support were a fortress against the harshness of life. Together, they overcame obstacles that might have torn others apart. Crispin's journey taught him that fighting for your child's future is never in vain. Hard work, patience, and love are the greatest weapons in life. Family is the most precious treasure one can have. Challenges strengthen the spirit, and unity overcomes all. Today, Crispin and his family look toward the future with hope and confidence. Their story is an inspiration to many, a testament to the power of a father's love and relentless spirit. Crispin often says to others, "Fighting for your children is the noblest journey you will ever take. You are never alone. Your heart is filled with boundless love and strength."